Hi everyone, it's Carling at the Park Group, and I'm so excited to be here with Michelle of Riverside Homes today. And we are back in Reflections at Seabrook, touring Riverside Homes, now for sale Sawyer model. Thank you for having us, Michelle.
Thanks for having us. We're so excited to finally have this home on the market, ready. This beautiful Sawyer model is 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 2,900 square feet with a 3-car garage. So
Wow,
let's go take a look. We're super excited to share.
I love this front porch out here
Isn't it
too.
perfect for morning cup of coffee?
Yeah, greet your neighbors, wave
Yes,
at them.
yes. As soon as you walk in, over to the right-hand side is this beautiful blue flex room. It's perfect for someone who works remote, which we have a lot of clients that do that.
Yes.
Perfect work from home spot overlooking the beautiful park that we have right across the street. And you could always install French doors. The amazing thing about this home, Carly, is that it's 12-foot ceilings on the first floor.
Wow.
Yes.
Really makes it feel large.
It does, it does. This little area is perfect little drop zone, and it has the cutest wallpaper in the laundry room that everyone always comments about.
I love it. It's so
Yes.
whimsical and fun.
It absolutely is. And the cabinetry obviously stays, makes it really convenient, obviously, for future buyers.
All the counter space, cabinets, amazing.
And then this is the grandiose, well, this little particular area that she's filming is obviously the cutest little powder bathroom with adorable wallpaper as well. And then this beautiful living room is so spacious.
Stunning.
It's stunning with the large 12-foot ceilings and double stacked cabinetry in the kitchen. It's an entertainer's dream.
Absolutely. You could just have your guests over here in the living room and then
Yes, absolutely.
so open.
With a nice walk-in pantry and a chef's built-in appliance package, gas cooktop, and of course the pot filler that makes it super convenient
I love
for
that pot filler.
for pasta nights. And then these are quart counters.
Beautiful. And this is a very large island.
Isn't it?
It's hard to see on camera, but it is.
It is.
Very large.
It does require walking around the full island to clean it.
Absolutely. Beautiful kitchen.
Tons of storage with those double stacked cabinets too.
Absolutely. No shortage of storage in this home.
No. And then the dining room has tons of natural light, has transom windows. And so it's welcoming, but very light filled as well. If someone works remote, it's actually a cute little spot.
That would be perfect.
That would
for your
be perfect.
laptop.
Yes, to change up the scenery.
So much natural light coming into the home too. It's amazing. And then we're gonna take a peek out back. This beautiful covered lanai.
It is super spacious as well. It is pre-plumbed for a gas cooktop.
Yeah, yeah, anything that you need, a grill,
Yes.
grilling.
So you have dining, living room space. It's basically just an extra living room out here. And there is plenty of room for a future pool if someone decided to install a pool later on.
Wonderful, and tons of privacy back here. I really like that.
There is, and those beautiful palm trees are my favorite as well.
So nice.
It is.
I love that.
Hey, this is a perfect little spot for football.
Yep, in the fall.
Exactly, yes.
Just leave the sliders open.
That's
I could just see
right.
myself indoor, outdoor living. You have it all in this home.
Thank you. And then now we're walking into the primary owner suite. And we love the fact that it's on the first floor, which is what a lot of our clients really, really are seeking.
So convenient.
Absolutely. And then it has a really pretty tray ceiling, and it actually has large furniture as well. While you're looking through, the furniture is large, and my favorite is people are coming in from different parts of this country with bigger furniture.
Absolutely.
So it does make a difference, and it even has the 2 little seating areas in that owner's suite. And then this beautiful, large owner's suite bathroom with soaking tub.
It is like spa-like in here.
It totally is.
I love
Absolutely.
the tile to the ceiling in the shower. Beautiful.
And once again, very light. Like there's tons of natural light in there, perfect to do your makeup in the morning. So makes it easy. And then there's also a huge walk-in closet. I highly recommend doing like double racks or custom closets to take advantage of the high ceilings as well.
Absolutely. I love the color selections you chose in the bathroom as well. I love the countertop, the vanity.
Yes, and the drawer stack, game changer with makeup.
Oh, game changer.
Yes, it totally is.
Absolutely. You need all of the drawers and cabinets that
Oh,
you can
yes.
get in the bathroom.
We always have tons of bottles, don't we?
We do. Another look at this stunning living space. And Michelle, you said the lighting will be included?
The beautiful light fixtures are all nicely appointed, and those are all included with the home purchase as well.
Amazing. Now's your chance. If you ever wanted to own a designer, upgraded model home, now is your chance.
Absolutely. We're coming down to an era, aren't we?
We are. We are. Nocatee's coming to an end. So like Michelle said earlier, this home is right across from the Reflections neighborhood park with playground equipment, shade structure.
Yes, and future green space. So it's just the perfect little spot. So you have basically an extra backyard that you don't even have to take care of.
That's
It's just an
amazing.
added bonus.
Just send the kids right across the street.
Yes. And then this area is the loft. It's basically an extra living room. And
It's huge.
it's a perfect spot, you know, if you have adult children, they have their own privacy. If you have
Yes.
guests, they have their own living room. If you have kids, it's a perfect little hangout spot away from all the bedrooms. And upstairs in this home, we have 4 additional bedrooms.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
So the neat thing is, even though someone may not need a 5-bedroom home, keep in mind that we do have so many clients that are, in essence, working remote.
Yep.
And so oftentimes they need not just 1, but 2 office spaces. So there's plenty of room to spread out upstairs if you want to make them into additional workspaces.
Yes, I could totally see that. Or even just having a dedicated room for the kids to do homework, or you to use as a part-time office. It's so multifunctional up here.
Absolutely. And then that room in particular, it had such a nice walk-in closet that has a window.
Nature just looked inside there. It was beautiful.
And then Jack and Jill bathroom that connects these 2 back bedrooms. And here's another little nugget. The beauty about all of these bedrooms, they're not on top of the owner's bedroom.
Oh, that's so nice.
So
you don't hear anything
you don't
downstairs.
Exactly. You don't hear the little pitter-patter of feet upstairs. Exactly.
That's perfect.
Yes.
Definitely a selling point.
Absolutely. And this bedroom is like the perfect guest room, or even if you have an adult child that is living at home, it's kind of secluded and gives you a ton of privacy.
It does. Very secluded. And then another bedroom right there. Yep, bathroom, bedroom. 2 twin beds.
2 twin beds. Yep, super cute in here. Very, very spacious. It actually will accommodate a full or queen size bed in there as well.
I like that you guys show the different types of layouts you can do in here.
Absolutely.
Very large bedrooms. Tile to the ceiling in that bathroom. That was gorgeous. And I
And
love all the natural light in this final
I
bedroom.
know, isn't it? Like it's a game changer as well. This one, I love how we've decorated it. And again, like the perfect guest room, or just, so much flexibility in all of the rooms that are upstairs. And then here's sort of a cute little secret hidden, hidden secret.
Secret hidden, more storage. You can never have too much storage.
Exactly. So perfect for your Christmas tree and just decorations that you don't have to place inside of your garage. So can never have enough storage in Florida.
That's right. That is right. Well, thank you so much, Michelle, for having us out here. Can you remind everyone of how they can get in touch with you about this now for sale Sawyer model?
Yes, absolutely. So you can contact us on our website, and or you can reach out to us with our marketing director as well. Our phone
Stop by
number,
the model.
stop by
Say
the
hi.
model, exactly, 50 Recollection Drive. And we would love the opportunity to share this beautiful home with you and give you a tour.
Thank you so much for
You're
having us. I
welcome.
know this won't last long. This is a
No,
stunning home.
it is.
So thank you everyone for watching Walkthrough Wednesday, and we'll see you next week.
Thank you.
Bye.